Welcome to the intersection of fire and flesh. We are employing the caveman technique, placing a prime cut directly onto a bed of white-hot charcoal embers. Notice the Maillard reaction, accelerating instantly, creating a mineral-rich carbonized crust that seals in every drop of juice. The sonic profile is dominated by the aggressive hiss of rendered fat hitting 700-degree coals and the rhythmic crackle of hardwood charcoal. We are looking for a deep mahogany exterior and a precise medium-rare core. This is not just cooking, it is a sensory assault of smoke, salt, and heat.